Chmelaeon.com here. It's a good thing you stop by this video if you're about to buy a wallet or a coin purse solution for yourself. Most people need wallets these days, even with e-payments and all this other stuff going around. There's nothing like having your ID as well as credit cards and everything neatly organized. Chmelaeon.com has a variety of different solutions, including Amazon link below if you want to order on their site as well, but we have all these at comparable or lower prices than Amazon or eBay. So here are basically your two choices in the marketplace today. You either have a general small wallet. Okay, we have an in-depth review on this London Stitch model. And it's just a bifold with an ID holder, usually made of leather or fox leather. And it'll do the job. It'll carry your credit cards, it'll carry your wallet, maybe a small amount of change, like a tracker device if you want to put a Bluetooth tracker if you lose your wallet. Stuff like that. And they're generally well made. But the issue is that if you are carrying more than just your credit card, say you need to have multiple spaces, you want to have SD card holders for your phone, that's where a men's almost like phone jacket comes into play. And they're well made. There's a bunch of different companies that we have on Chmelaeon.com as well as Amazon links below. Here's BAELLERRY. We got Polabo. They all have fun names. But the cool thing about them is that they usually have a zipper, and you can pull out a phone from inside of it. This is an S5 with a case, so this will easily fit any iPhone. You might have problems with like a Note or a 6 Plus or 7 Plus, whatever they're on now for iPhone. But they're really well made, and they're relatively cheap. They're about the same price as a regular wallet. I think this one ranges around like 10 to 15 bucks. And they even come with hand lanyards. So if you drop it, it'll stick on your wrist. A lot of cool features like that in these. This is a BAELLERRY, same thing. It's got a couple of SD card holders, a zipper, 2 sections, a little coin thing in the middle. Have documents, stuff like that. So these are pretty cool. Now, I will say this. They're sometimes a little difficult to put in a regular pocket. But if you have a suit coat, something like that, they fit in quite well. I prefer to carry these around because they're well made. And then sometimes they come in boxes. Usually they just come in a wrap. But this one's well presented. This is by U-Mall. It's got 2 ID holders. It's got a little flap in here. I think this is also a... That one's new. A little holder right here. A little snap holder. Like the ones that snap too. And this one doesn't have a zipper, so this one's more compact. But Chmelaeon.com has tons of these. We have pages of wallets. We're going to have links below for all of it. But if you need a wallet, those are basically the 2 choices you have in the marketplace today. You can either get a smaller wallet, or you can get a slightly larger, almost like a coin purse type deal. And they're both great options. Chmelaeon.com is out on that note. Be sure to buy or subscribe and like today. Thanks.